For this routine, I'm not gonna lie, I got all of this from my girlfriend. She taught me all of this. Like, she educated me on what to do, how to moisturize your curls, how to take care of it. So really, she's the boss on this shit.
I'm just trying to get a million. Bad bitches on the ceiling. Twerking for the feeling. Phones out flash, yeah. Public persona appealing.
What's good, y'all? Welcome to my channel, Tonic TV. I'm Tonic the Kid with my girlfriend.
I'm Asia. Hello, everybody. I'm his special guest today.
Yes, she is. And today we're doing a hair care routine video, and that's gonna be outlining what we do for our hair. And
And the products that we use, step by step, what we do exactly. We'll explain what we do in the shower. We're not going to show that, but
these are some really effective products for conditioning and shampooing. So yeah. First things first, we're gonna discuss the maintenance that we do to maintain our hair. So like,
I usually wait about 10 days or so, or it just depends on how rough my hair is looking. Like right now, I've waited about 2.5 weeks, so my hair is in need of conditioning, wash, everything. And you, how long do you usually wait?
for me, I do my whole routine, I'd say once a week.
Once a week? Well, that's good.
Because yeah, it's a lot of products, and I'm not trying to blow through it all.
Yeah.
And you know, this shit's expensive, so like do it once a week and then take care of it. So like when you do it, wrap your hair up in some satin or whatever. Asia taught me to put my shit in a pineapple.
Yes, pineapple.
And then I'll put a bonnet on it, and then that'll maintain your hair for a while, but then you gotta repeat it every week.
Right, or you know, in between, you can always spray it with, I use rice water, so I just spray it every day with oil. I have a spray bottle with my rice water in it, and then I just spray it throughout the week. You know, when I start to see it looking dry, or when I notice it needs some kind of moisture. So I do that every day. But yeah. So we'll come back when our hair is freshly washed, and you'll see what we do next.
Before we both get started on the routine, I am going to give myself a haircut because I am looking a little scruffy, and I'm trying to do it before and after. So you know, yeah. All right, let's go.
All right.
One eternity later.
All right, so we're back. We just washed our hair in the shower. Can you pass me the shampoo?
Yes. This is the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Shampoo. Sulfate free. This smells really, really good. And then I also have the leave-in conditioner too. There's also conditioner. I use that sometimes, but I didn't use that today. But yeah, this is a leave-in conditioner. I'm actually going to spray this right now.
And in the shower, we use this what is this called again? Detangling comb.
You can. I'm not quite sure what the name is. You can leave it in the description.
But it's like a detangling comb.
The link.
So it like separates like that, and this shit works wonders.
Very well. I
combing.
actually like that better than the wide tooth comb. Honestly, that works really well.
So now after we washed it, we're gonna get into conditioning our hair. This is leave-in conditioner.
Yeah, this is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen Restore Leave-In. This is really good too. So you guys already saw me spray my hair with the Carol's Daughter Spray Leave-In Conditioner. But this here is really good because it gives you a nice hold. So it's like that. It's really thick. So it's that kind of consistency. But I really, really like this stuff.
And we're gonna apply it now, so.
Okay, so I actually like to rub it in my hair like this. I don't know, I just kind of feel it and make sure I have my whole head coated, and once I do this, I move on to the next step. But this is just how I apply the leave-in conditioner. And then after I apply my leave-in conditioner all over my hair, I go in with the Design Essentials. This is the Honey Curl Forming Cluster. This smells so, so good, I promise you. This is one of my favorites. How much is this stuff? This isn't that expensive on Amazon. I think this is about maybe $10 to $15. I'm not 100% sure, but I can figure that out. But yeah, that stuff is really, really good. It's kind of like a gel, but it smells so good. You know, you'll be able to see, you see how it kind of just stretches my hair out? Yep, and it defines your curls.
So this is it. This is what your hair should look like when you put in the conditioner. After you washed it, you put your conditioner in, you're leaving conditioner in, and it's gonna look a little loose, it's gonna look a little wet, but the final product, which you will be able to tell, is when your hair kind of like coils up and the texture changes and it's a little bit more hardened, but it has this moisturized look to it. So for some people it varies. So like for me, it'll take about like maybe, I give it like 4 hours minimum for my hair to dry up. And then for Asia?
It takes a while. I'm probably not going out tonight, so it's definitely going to take all night, and it'll for sure be wet in the morning. But if, you know, I was outside, you know, in the fresh air, it'll probably take maybe a whole day or so. But because I'm not going anywhere and I do have the air conditioning on, it's going to definitely take all night and some of the morning. But, you know, it just depends. Sometimes I might even blow dry it just to speed up the process, depending on where I'm going. But yeah, typically I like to let it air dry.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna come back. And when we come back, next time you see us, our hair is gonna be done, and we're gonna reveal. And
it will be dry, right? You mean you mean dry?
Exactly.
Yeah.
What did I say, done?
You said it'll be done. Our hair is done.
Alright, it's done now, but the
it'll
final
be dry.
Product, yeah, alright,
Yep.
dry.
Yep.
But yeah, man, we'll be back. So.
It takes a special kind of man to let down his guard and put his trust.
Yes, here she is, yo. Final product. Curls is popping, smiling. Show the teeth, baby. Yes. Yeah, let's go. Look at my baby. Yes. Pose for me, baby. Show the curls. Yes, left to right. Yeah, that conditioner is working. Yes. Yes, baby. Uh-huh. You looking good. Thumbs it up. Yes. Hey, make sure y'all subscribe, though.
I got the whip, the whip, the whip, the whip, the whip. Shawty gave a number to me, I ain't saving shit.
All right, Tony, I'm liking your hair. Your haircut looks nice. Show everybody your haircut. He did that himself. Those earrings look nice. Pose for the camera now.